If your iPhone shows it's charging but the battery percentage isn't increasing, you may be dealing with software glitch, a problem with the charging port, or a malfunctioning charging accessory. But don't worry, following these steps will potentially resolve the issue. Solution 1. Turn off battery optimization. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Battery. Are you using a new iPhone? Select Charging if you are using old iPhone, Battery Health, and Charging if charging off this optimized battery charging. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Try a different charging cable and adapter. Use an Apple-certified cable and charger, as third-party accessories may not provide adequate power. Solution 3. Update iOS software. Go to Settings, scroll down, then tap General. Select Software Update and check if there is a new update available. If an update is available, install it, as software updates can resolve charging issues caused by bugs. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, and go to General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Tap Reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords. After the reset, connect your iPhone to the charger to see if it charges correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone not charging, even though it indicates it is. If the issue persists, contact Apple support, as there may be a hardware issue that requires professional assistance.